Alright. Well, time to feed the hungry Steam Deck fans. Hello viewers. Another beautiful day. Hope your five senses of work, health, and strength is good or excellent. I was sitting here, I just did a video about the Microsoft Odyssey situation. It's really not about, that article really is really not about a woman being curvy. It's just it all comes down to modesty. That's what that article was really talking about, and about wearing proper attire, and you're trying to protect the viewers from from certain images, since you're in the entertainment business. So I get where Microsoft did what they did. So the curvy woman is not the issue here. It's just a woman being curvy. That's not the issue. The issue is about modesty and wearing proper attire. Anyway, got another piece of news here. Listen to this. Proton. This for you Steam Deck users. Proton. Remember I told you updates were coming in, marching in like ants, showing up any given hour, any given day. Listen to this. Proton 9.0 through 4 released to improve more Windows game on Linux. Valve and Codeweaver today released Proton 9.0 through 4 as the newest version of their wind downstream that powers Steam Play for running an incredible number of modern Windows games on Linux. With Proton 9.0 through 4 released, there are more Windows games known to be playable on Linux desktop and Steam Deck. Some of the now playable games under Proton 9.0 through 4 includes APB Reloaded, Conquer Blades, Cube Hero Odyssey, Disgaea 4 Complete, Hardship Demo, Star Quest, Sniper Elite, Nazi Zombie 2 Army, Test Drive Unlimited, Solar Crown, Total War, Shogun, Warhammer 40k, Space Marines 2, and Welcome to Dust. Proton 9.0 to 4 also fixes issues for existing games like Final Fantasy, supports for NVIDIA, optical flow API and DLSS 3 frame generation, improved video playback in various games, and fix a number of other gaming bugs. There are also performance improvements that help a tidbit. It says here, Proton 9.0 to 4 pulls in Wine, Mono 9.3.1, DXVK 2.5.1, DXVK D3D, Proton 2.13-241, and various other updates. Fire up Steam to grab the now stable Proton 9.0 to 4, or you can also find it via GitHub. Now, on the GitHub, what do we got here? Let's see here. We got now playable APB Reloaded, Conquer Blade, Cube Hero Odyssey, Disgaea 4 Complete, Hardship Demo, Star Quest, Sniper Elite, Nazi Zombie Army 2, AMD GPU only, Test Drive Unlimited, Solar Crown, Total War Shogun 2, Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine, requires disable Steam overlay, Welcome to Dust Town, and then it says fix Hell Let Loose crashing when joining a server after recent game updates, fix Final Fantasy 16 having low FPS due to excessive DLL lockup, fix Final Fantasy 16 not showing display in settings, fix keyboard input in Rival of Ether 2, fix Chroma Cell crashing on launch on AMD GPUs, add support for NVIDIA optical flow API and DLSS 3 frame generation, fix Dragon Age the Veilguard displaying a warning about being installed on a spin drive, fix Crazy Taxi randomly crashing when starting a game, add a warning in Proton log when running on system with low max count, fix single player game not working in Star Wars Jedi Knight 2 Jedi Outcast, fix hard reset Redux Shadow Warrior crashing with AMD GPUs, fix Skull and Bones not exiting cleanly on systems with NVIDIA GPUs, fix Dark and Darker not being playable after a game update, fix EA desktop app setup not being configurable, improve video playback in Match of Empire and DMC3 Special Edition, fix trigger button not registering in I Expect You to Die, fix Proton 9.0 regression, Multiplayer works again in Hot Shot Racing. Fable Craft is playable again. I Expect You to Die is playable again. Star Wars Jedi Knight of the Old Republic no longer launched to black screen when in full screen. Marlowe Breaks and the Mask of Death is playable again. B-17 Flying Fortress, the Mighty Eighth Redux is playable again. Games now launch on correct screen on setup in multiple monitor connected to multiple GPUs. Fix Yakuza 3 Remastered. Yakuza 4 Remastered is not being playable on some setups. Fix Yakuza 6 crashing when trying to play Puyo Puyo minigame. Fix knowledge of a known lady crashing about 10 minutes after launch. Fix multiplayer in Spellforce 3 Versus Edition. Font rendering in Spellforce 3 Versus Edition. Fix mod support in Doom Eternal. Fix Mary Skelter stuttering on launch. Fix Final Nut starting with non-English locale. Fix traditional Chinese font rendering in Mashiro Symphony HD Sena Edition. Fix Korean input in Diablo 4. Fix new Unreal Engine games trying to install redistributable on each launch. Fix astral accent hanging when unplugging a controller. Fix playbacks of video in Max, The Cursed Brotherhood. Fix controller support in Clash of Crust. Fix FPS drop in Red Dead Redemption 2 when key are pressed. Fixed Hunt Showdown 1896 failed to start after a recent game update. Fix full screen in Dog Brew on Steam Deck. Fix support for Battle Server in Age of Empire 2 Definitive Edition. Fix voice chat in For Honor and Uno. Fix Proton not setting priorities correctly for new threads. Fix Unreal Engine crashes report client not launching properly. Improve loading times in Pharaoh Rebirth. Fix missing icons of Age of Mythology Retold. Fix video playback in March of Empire. Improve performance in Bloodstrike. And enable Exilia for multiverse. Prerequisite installation can now be done with the controller. Update Exilia to 0.4.4. Enable it for Trackmania United Forever, Trackmania Nation Forever, Oddworld, Strangers, Wrath HD, Fallout New Vegas, Warriors All-Star. Then it says update Wine Mono to 9.3.1. Update DXVK to version 2.5.1 plus a regression fix. Update DXVK NavPy to version 0.7.1 -94 GAFB 59AE 841B. Update VKD3D Proton to version 214-241 G4FD 73AB3D35. Update VKD3D shaders to VKD3D 1.14 plus a hack. And then it says a set source code zip, source code targ GZ. And that is that. So you guys, you Steam Deck users, Linux gamers, you're good. Proton 9.0.4 is here. And remember, on the Steam Deck, you know, you do need that 2 terabytes of storage on your Steam Decks, you know, so when all those updates are coming in for all those Protons and Steam OS, you got somewhere to store it, you know, and all the apps that you use, you know, that's what the 2 terabytes of storage is for. And then put your games on a micro SD card, 512 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, 1.52, even the 4, I think a 4 terabyte one is coming. And then of course you can put it on the docking station with the external SSD, and then if that fills up, then you can mount another hard drive, solid state drive, to the docking station, and then carry on from there. So yeah, updates come in any given hour, any given day. They just show up. So you Steam Deck users, you're good. Yeah. And Phoronix got you covered. As soon as I seen this, I jumped all over it. So I said, let me put this out. I was sitting here looking for news and I just ran into this. But anyway, you guys are good though. News, deals, games update, the usual. You're good. So I'll keep you guys in the loop. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars, Star Trek thing. Port, Go. Peace.